Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking this amazing chicken casserole. It's a Coleman's sachet. We've got chicken, new potatoes, onion, carrots. It's all cooked perfectly. Let's show you how to do it. So this is our ingredients for the chicken casserole. So we've got this Coleman's chicken casserole mix. Now it says there to use a tablespoon of oil, 8 skinless chicken thighs. I'm going to be using breasts because I'm going to be using 4 of those because they're quite large. 2 medium onions sliced. There we go, over there. What else have we got? 425 millilitres of cold water, ready there. We have 3 carrots sliced. And we have 400 grams of new potatoes halved. There they are over there. And then when we cook it, we're going to be frying the chicken and the onions in the Ninja slow cooker because of the saute function. If you haven't got a saute function in the slow cooker, you can use a saucepan. And then we're going to be adding in the water with the Coleman's chicken casserole mix. We'll be adding that into the slow cooker with all the other ingredients, and we'll be setting it on a 3-hour timer on high. And hopefully at the end of it, we're going to have an amazing one-pot meal. So let's get some of these chicken breasts out, and I'm going to be cutting them in sort of halves. There we go, like so. I'm just going to get rid of some of those horrible bits. My Labrador is going to love those. So we'll put that on a plate, that on a plate, put that to the side. I think I might actually do 5 of these. See how it goes. I'll just take off those horrible bits. You know what? There's a little one here. I think I'll use that one. So 4.5 chicken breasts. Okay. And they're quite large, aren't they? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cut those in half again. So basically we're taking each chicken breast and cutting it into quarters. So we're actually left with all of the chicken breasts there. I'm just going to have a bit of a clean up and then we get cooking. So let's turn on the machine and we're going to go to saute mode, which is there. I'm going to put the temperature to low and I'm going to go start. That's going to start heating up. We get the oil, the onions and the chicken in there. So I've added the oil to the slow cooker. And now I'm going to throw in the chicken that we've chopped up. In it goes. This Ninja slow cooker is absolutely amazing. There's 8 different modes there. We've got slow cook, saute, steam, braise, simmer, bake, prove and keep warm. And it's a great pot because you can do all of your frying first, as we're going to do with the chicken and the onion. And then you can chuck in all the other ingredients and put it onto slow cook mode. So I don't know whether you can hear it sizzling away now. The chicken's starting to change colour, which is great. A bit of a stir. Some people say you can just chuck the chicken in raw and it will cook in the slow cooker in the juices. I do like to brown it off a little bit beforehand. You can see it's really sizzling now. You can hear it. We'll let that chicken brown off a bit more. Really sizzling away now. I'm just going to chuck those 2 sliced onions in. And we'll give the whole thing a bit of a stir. This recipe will feed 4 people. Give it another good stir. While that's sizzling away, we're going to mix the sachet into the water. Just like that, and chuck the whole thing in. Ooh, making a mess. Get all that in there, and we'll give that a bit of a stir. Here we go. That really does smell nice. Let's give it another stir before we mix in our other ingredients. As I said, if you don't have a saute function, you can do all of this part in the saucepan. So we're going to pour in that mixture of the sachet and the water. There we go. We're going to chuck in the 3 carrots that have been sliced, and we're also going to throw in the 400 grams of new potatoes that we've halved. I'm just going to give the whole thing a massive stir without making too much mess. Go. Get everything coated up. Obviously we're going to be slow cooking this, and the lid's going to be on, so there's going to be a lot of sort of steaming going on as well. So let's put that lid on, and we'll go down, and this time we're on slow cook mode. We want to be on high, and we're going to go for 3 hours. Start. And that's pretty much it. I will see you in 3 hours, and hopefully we've got a lovely tasty meal all in the one pot. Okay, so the 3 hours are up. Let's have a look inside. It's going to be very steamy. Ooh, look at that. A perfectly cooked chicken casserole. I bet that chicken's just going to fall apart. Let's get it on a plate. So here we are, we've got it on a plate. It's steaming hot, as you can see. Let's see how well the chicken is cooked. And this, look at that, it just falls apart. That is amazing. Cooked all the way through. Potatoes cooked lovely. The carrots perfectly cooked. This is an amazing meal. And the chicken, look, just falls apart. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button. Leave any comments down below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.